Okay. See, we had topics of two topics for your uh, this particular neat long term uh, part of it. So the topics that we had from biology was digestion and absorption. Then there was also the breathing and exchange of gases. There was also topic of DNA, the structure of DNA and certain characteristics of DNA. Those questions were also included. Apart from that, so the topics from my topic like biology, the biotechnology applications, a few questions from the processes and principles of biotechnology were included in this paper. So let us discuss with this different questions of these papers. Okay. So the first question that we had is, what is common among amylase, renin, and trypsin? All these are produced by stomach. These acts at a pH lower than 7. These are all proteins. These are all proteolytic enzymes. What is the answer for this?
All are proteins, sir.
Yeah, these are all proteins. They're all enzymes, isn't it? So they are proteinaceous in nature. See, amylase in the mouth, it is secreted. Amylase is also secreted in the pancreas. The salivary amylase, we call it as talin. Pancreatic amylase, we call it as amylopsin. So you know about that. Renin, they digest this milk protein. So trypsin, so they also bring about the digestion of protein, but they are proteinaceous in nature. The other options are all wrong. So they are all proteinaceous in nature. Amylase, renin, and trypsin enzyme, they are all proteinaceous. Okay. Second question is, talin is inactivated by a component of gastric juice known as, talin is nothing but another name for salivary amylase. So what is the component of gastric juice which inactivates the salivary amylase? Anyone
HCl,
has?
sir.
Very good. HCl is the answer. So HCl is going to inactivate the uh, talin or salivary amylase. Brunner's glands are found in. This is easy answer, provided you have studied the anatomy of small intestine. So Brunner's glands are found in C, mucosa of intestine. Okay. So Brunner's glands are found in mucosa of intestine. C is the answer. Lower jaw is composed of. What is it composed of? What is lower jaw composed of? Dentary is the answer. A, dentary is the answer. So lower jaw is composed of the dentition, the teeth. Okay, dentary. The other things are all wrong. So dentary is the answer. Dental formula of adolescent human being before 17 years is, that is before 18 years they are talking about. So what is the dental formula? See, 210 to 2102, it is the dental formula of milk set of teeth. 2123, 2123 is the dental formula of permanent set of teeth. But after 18 years, they would be having this permanent set of teeth, isn't it? So the 17 year they have asked you. The answer is 2122, 2122. This is the answer. The wisdom tooth or the final molar tooth have not yet formed. So 2122, 2122 is the answer. So the sixth one, villi present in intestine helps in. What does it help in? Sixth one, villi present in intestine, they help in. What do they help in?
Secreting enzyme and increase the surface of area, sir.
Yes, both of them are the answer for it. Not only do they increase the surface area for absorption, but they also secrete enzymes. So D is the answer. So it is both. So D is the answer. It is both. Yeah, 1 minute. So where both A and B are the answers. They not only secrete enzymes, but they also increase the surface area for absorption. Okay. Next one. Study of liver is called. What is it called as? Study of liver.
Hepatology.
Hepatology. It is derived from the word hepatic cells. Study of liver is called hepatology. Eighth one. Chymotrypsin is a component of. Is it bile juice, pancreatic juice, succus entericus or intestinal juice, or is it gastric juice? Chymotrypsin is a component of. What is its component of?
Pancreatic juice.
Okay. Eighth one, pancreatic juice is the right answer. Okay. The next one, ninth one, the total number of canines in the permanent dental set of human is. So what is the total permanent dental set of human has? Total number of canines.
4, sir.
Yak 4.
Lower just 2, upper just 2, sir. 2, 1, 2,
Yes,
3. 2, sir.
yes, very good.
1, sir.
A formula 2123 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 2 represents incisors, 1 represents canines, uh, 2 represents premolar, 3 represents molar. ICPM ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಡೆಂಟಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 2123. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆನೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಜಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಜಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಜಾ ರೈಟ್ side they have one canine, and lower jaw left side they have one canine. Totally 4 canines are there. So ICPM 2123, one is the canine, you have to multiply it with 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, so the pancreas produce, so which is the answer for it? 3 digestive enzymes and 1 hormone, 3 types of digestive enzyme and 2 hormones, 2 digestive enzymes and 1 hormone, 3 digestive enzymes and no hormone. Which is the answer for it? See, they produce insulin and glucagon. So the islets of Langerhans. So 2 hormones are there, that is confirmed. Then they have this 3 types of digestive enzymes. So pancreatic juice produces pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase, then even the chymotrypsin. Okay, so 3 types of digestive enzymes and 2 hormones are produced by the pancreas. So B is the answer. Kupffer cells are, what are Kupffer cells? Where are they located?
Phagocytes. In liver, sir.
Yes, very true. In the liver, when you take the anatomy of liver, they have hepatic cells. In between, they have the spaces, sinusoids. So hepatic cells have certain cells called as Kupffer cells. So the Kupffer cells are phagocytic. That is, they are uh, going to eat up the antigens. So phagocytic is food eating cells. So we call it as phagocytic. Kupffer cells are phagocytic. Okay. 12th one, the germs entering the body along with food are killed in alimentive canal where pH is. What is the pH? It is acidic, isn't it? Along with food. So the stomach, especially where the microorganisms are killed. So the pH would be, what is the pH? Acidic andre, see all of them, 7 is neutral, 10 and 11 are alkaline. So 3 is acidic. C is the answer. So C is the answer for it. 13th one, which of the following carries glucose from digestive tract to liver? What is the answer for it? See, the answer is hepatic portal vein. So the answer is hepatic portal vein. So they carry glucose from digestive tract to liver. The site of action of pancreatic amylase enzyme is stomach, buccal cavity, large intestine, small intestine.
Small
Where
intestine.
does, very true, small intestine is the answer. So crypts of Libercan secrete. What do the crypts of Libercan secrete? Insulin, that is wrong. Pepsin, saliva, saliva is not possible. Succus entericus is the intestinal juice. So what does the crypts of Libercan produce? What do they produce? What do they secrete? Succus entericus or intestinal juice is secreted by crypts of Libercan. In human body, the role of bile salts in digestion is to act as coenzymes during the digestion of carbohydrates, emulsify fat and facilitate their absorption, aid in the breakup of proteins into amino acids and their absorption, stimulate the pancreas to release its enzyme. What is the role of bile salts in digestion? So the answer is B, to emulsify fat and facilitate their absorption. So emulsification of fat is brought about by the bile salts in the bile juice. So remember about this. Emulsify fat and facilitate their absorption is the answer. 16th one, B is the answer. So the three pairs of salivary gland are, what are the three pairs of salivary gland? What are the three pairs of salivary gland?
All of those, sir.
Yes, all of these. So you find that they are going to have parotid glands, sublingual glands, submaxillary glands, all of these. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು PSS ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. A pair of parotid glands, a pair of sublingual glands, and a pair of submaxillary gland. All of these is the answer. 17th one. Glycogen is stored in 18th. Where is it stored? Glycogen.
Liver and muscles.
Very good. Liver and muscles. Glycogen is stored in both liver and muscles. In liver, 100 gram of glycogen is stored. In muscles, nearly 400 gram of glycogen is stored. So totally our body will be having this glycogen stored will be nearly 500 grams of it. In liver, it is 100 grams of glycogen is stored. In muscles, nearly 400 grams of glycogen is stored. So liver and muscles, glycogen is stored in liver and muscles. So the 19th one, salivary amylase at digestive enzymes begins digestion of, what does it digest?
Carbohydrates.
Very good, it is carbohydrates. So the starch, especially which we eat. So in the mouth we store the food for very short duration of time. Within that short duration of time, the saliva digests the starch. Okay, salivary amylase digests the starch. So it is a carbohydrate. So A is the answer. 20th, HCl present in the gastric juice converts. What does it convert into? So HCl, which is present in the gastric juice, what do they convert? Pepsinogen to pepsin, polypeptides to peptides, disaccharides to monosaccharides, or prorenin to renin. What do they?
Pepsinogen to pepsin, sir.
Very true. It is pepsinogen to pepsin. Okay, that is the answer. In humans, digestion is, in humans, the digestion is
Extracellular, sir.
very true. Extracellular. C is the right answer. The layer of cells that secrete enamel of tooth is it osteoblast? Osteoblast is not possible. It's not bone cell. Odontoblast is also not possible. Dentoblast is also wrong. Ameloblast is the right answer. The layer of cells that secrete enamel of tooth is ameloblast. Ameloblast secretes the enamel of tooth. Okay, 23rd one. Mammalian lungs have an enormous number of minute alveoli or air sacs. What is this to allow? So do they allow more space for increasing the volume of inspired air, more surface area for diffusion of gases, okay, or more spongy texture for keeping lungs in proper shape, more nerve supply to keep the lungs working? So C and D is ruled out. So A and B, which one of them among this is the right answer? More space for increasing the volume of inspired air, or is it more surface area for diffusion of gases? Which is
B,
the right
sir.
answer? Okay, the right answer is the more surface area for diffusion of gases. That is why they have enormous number of alveoli. So they provide more surface area for diffusion of gases. So 23rd B is the answer. 24th, hemoglobin is a type of, this is easy. You should be able to say that. Hemoglobin is a type of carbohydrate, respiratory pigment, vitamin, or skin pigment.
Respiratory pigments.
It is a respiratory pigment because they transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transport of oxygen and transport of carbon dioxide. You might have studied in the exchange of the uh, gases, respiratory gases. Which organ is made up of air carrying tubes and tiny sacs? Which organ? Air carrying tubes, that is trachea, bronchioles, bronchi, tiny sacs
Lungs.
is alveoli. Lungs is the answer. 25th. B is the answer. Absence of surfactant in the alveoli causes. What does it cause? Is it emphysema, respiratory distress, pneumonia, chronic respiratory disease? Surfactant in alveoli, it causes. What is the answer for it? Respiratory distress, isn't it? Respiratory distress is the answer. Okay. The covering of the lung is called, what is it called as? Pleural membrane or pleura. The covering of the lung is called as pleura, or you can also call it as pleural membrane. Match the following. Nereis. So what do they have? So Nereis is having parapodia A, D. So there are two options. A and B can be the possibility. A is D, parapodia. Scorpion, what do they have? So A, scorpion, do they have book gills or do they have book lungs? Okay. Then the crab is going to have, E is going to have this. Uh, so the answer here, 28th, you have to match the things here. So snail, they won't have the gills. So crab will be having the gills. Other things, they don't have it. E is C. So both of them, they have given their B and C, they are right. So you have DAE or DEA. That is the option that you have to choose. So 28, the right answer is B. So scorpion is E, book lungs. King crab, so is A, book gills. Okay. Snail is B, Ctenidium. Crab is gills. So DEABC is the right option. So scorpion, you have to remember it is book lungs, scorpion and book lungs. So king crab is book gills. Okay. Snail is Ctenidium, crab is gills. So DEABC. So B is the right answer. Nucleotide arrangement in DNA can be seen by, is it by X-ray crystallography, electron microscope, ultracentrifuge, or light microscope? But how can you see the nucleotide arrangement in DNA? What is the answer?
electron microscope.
No, not through electron microscope. It is the X-ray crystallography. The answer is X-ray crystallography. So molecular form irodrinda only through X-ray crystallography you can see that. So 29th is A is the answer. 30th, number of base pairs in human chromosomes. So it is 3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs is there in human chromosomes. 3 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay. Genetic material of prokaryotic cell is, so non-histonic double-stranded DNA, histonic double-stranded DNA, histone and DNA both are absent, histone without DNA. So what is the genetic material of prokaryotic cell?
Non-stonic double-stranded DNA.
So non-histonic, they don't have histones associated with them. Non-histonic, double-stranded DNA. A is the answer. See, this is based on the Erwin Chargaff's base equivalence rule. The base composition of a bacterial virus is A equals 22%, T equals 22%, G equals 28%, C equals 28%. Its genetic material will be single-stranded DNA, double-stranded RNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded RNA.
Double stranded DNA.
Very good. See, thymine is there. Thymine is the nitrogenous base present only in DNA. So as a result of it, and they have given this alternate base pairing also. So adenine base pairs with thymine, guanine base pairs with cytosine. So it is going to be double-stranded DNA. From this itself, you can very easily come to a conclusion it is DNA. And since they have base pairing and as per Erwin Chargaff's equivalence rule, so they have equal adenine equals 22%, thymine is also 22%. So there is a complementary base pairing. So it has to be double stranded DNA. So 36 second, C is the answer, double stranded DNA. The central dogma of protein synthesis is, I think you should be saying this. It is very easy one.
DNA, RNA, proteins.
Option
Yes,
D.
DNA by transcription they produce RNA. RNA by translation they produce protein. D is the answer. 33rd, D is the answer. The bond which is responsible for DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA stand to be anti-parallelist. What is that bond?
Option A, sir.
Very true. Phosphodiester bond is the answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay. What will be the correct gene expression pathway?
Option C, sir.
Correct ಆಗಿದೆ. So gene they undergo transcription. So transcription ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ mRNA synthesize ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. mRNA undergoes translation and they are going to synthesize protein. So the C is the right answer. In the DNA molecule, A, there are two strands which run anti-parallel on in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5' direction. The total amount of purine nucleotides and pyrimidine nucleotides is not always equal. There are two strands which run parallel in the 5' to 3' direction. The proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with the organism. So in the DNA molecule, which is the right answer here? So
Option A, sir.
A is the right answer. There are two strands. They have not given this. Question is not complete. In the DNA molecule, the correct statement is it should have come. There are two strands which run anti-parallel on in 5' to 3' direction, and the other is 3' to 5' direction. 36th is A is the answer. Gene is composed of, what is it composed of? Gene. Is it
Polynucleotides.
composed of polynucleotides is the right answer. Very good. So polynucleotides. Okay. Research has revealed a variety of viral genotypes. Which of the following is not one of them? So there are variety of viral genome types. DNA triple stranded, it never occurs. So this is not one of them. DNA single stranded, you can notice even DNA double stranded, RNA double stranded, but there is no DNA triple stranded in the viral genome type. So B is the wrong answer. That is the B is the answer here, which so it is the uh, does not occur in viral genome types, DNA triple stranded. EEG represents, so A, electrical activity of brain recorded from the scalp. So that is what EEG represents, electrical activity of brain recorded from the scalp. So electroencephalogram, remember about that. Which of the following vectors is used to replace the defective gene in gene therapy? So which of the following vectors is used to replace the defective gene in gene therapy? Which vector do we utilize? So A adenovirus we are going to utilize for trying to replace the defective gene in gene therapy. So gene therapy, so we have different methods. Adenovirus is one of the method of introducing it. A certain patient is subjected to be suffering from acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Which diagnostic technique will be useful to recommend for its detection? Is it MRI, ultrasound, Widal test, or ELISA?
Elisa.
ELISA, sir.
Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. ELISA is used for detecting the uh, HIV in a or AIDS in a patient. ELISA used to detect viruses where the key reagent is. What is the key reagent for ELISA? The answer is alkaline phosphatase. That is the key reagent. So alkaline is basic in nature, phosphatase. So that is the key reagent through which ELISA is used to detect the viruses. An endoscope is employed by a physician to view the internal parts of a body organ. It is based on the principle of D total internal reflection. So it is based on the principle of total internal reflection. Okay. CT scanning helps in the diagnosis of diseases of which one of them? CT scanning. All of the above. Brain diagnosis go CT scanning ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Spinal cord and chest also CT scanning is required. See, CT scanning helps in the diagnosis of diseases of brain, spinal cord, chest. All of the above is the answer. Assertion MRI is best method to detect tumors. It does not involve radiation. 45th assertion and reason ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation to A. This is the answer. So both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation for A. See, use of artificial limbs is also known as, see, it is known as external prosthesis. The answer is external prosthesis, artificial limb. Lasers are used to treat revival, debaclement, kidney failure, tumors in brain, all of the above. Which is the answer for it? See, it is used for uh, lasers are used for revival, debaclement, kidney failure, tumors in brain, all of the above, they are utilized. That is the answers. Which of the following is an implant? Pacemaker, medical laser, oxygenator, PET scanning. See, the implant is pacemaker. Pacemaker is an implant. 48th A is the answer. ELISA test is used to detect AIDS, viral hepatitis, tuberculosis, and cystic cirrhosis. D, all of the above. So, what is the answer for this?
All of the above, sir.
All of the above. So ELISA is used not only for AIDS, viral hepatitis, but also for tuberculosis and cystic uh, cystic hercosis. So all of these they are going to utilize. Select the incorrectly matched pairs. See, monoclonal antibodies is obtained from hybridomas. That is correct. Monoclonal antibodies, we also call it as magic bullets. Okay, so remember about that. PCR, phenylketonuria, bioweapons, Bacillus anthracis. So this anthrax cause ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ bioweapon ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Tracy, the first transgenic animal for food production. So which of this is incorrectly matched pair?
B.
So which is the incorrectly matched pair?
Option B, sir.
D is the correct incorrectly matched pair. Okay, so remember about that. D, first transgenic animal for food production, that is wrong. ADA deficiency, that is adenosine deaminase deficiency, is caused due to the, is it deletion, translocation, substitution, inversion? So what is it caused by?
Deletions.
Very true. It is caused by deletion. So it is caused by deletion. The choice of the Bt toxin genes is dependent upon the type of crop, type of targeted pest, type of vector, both A and B. See, the choice of the Bt toxin gene is dependent upon type of the crop and type of targeted pest. So D is the answer for it. So it not only involves type of the crop, but also the type of targeted pest. On that basis, we are going to choose the Bt toxin. So both A and B is the answer for it. So the 53rd question, maturation of pro insulin into insulin takes place after removal of C peptide. Okay, this is a very easy answer. So maturation of proinsulin into insulin takes place after the removal of C peptide. So read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1, PCR technique is helpful in detecting bacterial and viral diseases even when symptoms of the disease are not yet visible. Very low concentration of bacteria or virus in human body can be detected by amplification of their nucleic acid using the PCR technique. Okay. So both statements A and B, that is 1 and 2, are correct. This is the answer. Okay. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Which of the following is not used for early molecular diagnosis? Is it ELISA, PCR, polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis, then recombinant DNA technology? Early molecular diagnosis. So which of these are not used at all? So 55th,
Option D, sir.
recombinant DNA technology, we don't use it at all. Okay, for the early molecular diagnosis. An example of gene therapy is production of injectable hepatitis B vaccine, production of vaccines in food crops like potatoes, which can be eaten, introduction of gene for adenosine deaminase in persons suffering from severe combined immunodeficiency, or an example of gene therapy. C is the right answer. The last option they have given is production of test tube babies by artificial insemination and implantation of fertilized egg. C is the answer. An example of gene therapy is introduction of gene for adenosine deaminase in persons who are suffering from severe combined immunodeficiency. Okay. Find the incorrect statement. Which is the incorrect statement here? Gene therapy is a genetic engineering technique used to treat disease at molecular level by replacing defective genes with normal genes. It's a correct statement. Calcitonin is a medically useful recombinant product in the treatment of infertility. Bt toxin is a biodegradable insecticide obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis. C is correct statement. Trichoderma species, a biocontrol agent for fungal diseases of plants. D also is a correct statement. C is the B is the incorrect statement. Calcitonin is a medically useful recombinant product in the treatment of infertility. Is a wrong statement. Okay. Choose the correct statement with reference to Dolly. So transgenic animal they are. Okay, she was created by taking cloning actually. Dolly is. She was created by taking nucleus from unfertilized egg and cytoplasm from unfertilized egg. She was created by taking nucleus from other cells and cytoplasm from unfertilized eggs. So B is the answer. So Dolly, which is a clone, was created by taking nucleus from other cells and cytoplasm from the unfertilized egg. So B is the correct answer for it. Okay. The others are wrong. She was created by taking cytoplasm from udder cell and nucleus from unfertilized egg. It is wrong. She was created by taking cytoplasm from udder cell and nucleus from fertilized egg. That is wrong. Okay. Bt cotton is a transgenic plant which is obtained by introducing foreign genes that makes the resistant against which organisms? ಯಾವ
Option
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ? Yes,
insect.
yes, against insect. It is insect pests. So they are resistance against insect pests. Which of the following recombinant protein has been used to treat recombinant protein to treat emphysema? It is alpha 1 antitrypsin is utilized to treat emphysema. Okay, alpha 1 antitrypsin. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A transgenic plant is one in which a gene from another plant is introduced, a gene from another organism, bacteria is introduced, a gene from another organism, virus is introduced, all of the above.
All of the above.
Very true, it is. All of the above is the answer for 61st. 62nd, emasculation is concerned with what?
Hybrid.
Hybridization, isn't it? Emasculation or emasculation is concerned with hybridization. ಯಾವ್ದು answer? So it is hybridization. Sources of genes for high vitamin content in golden rice is daffodils and Erwinia eurodovera. Both A and B is the answer. C is the correct choice for this. Both daffodils and Erwinia, they are a source for high vitamin content in golden rice. Both A and B. So daffodils is a plant, Erwinia eurodovera is a bacteria. So both A and B are the right choice. The first transgenic crop plant was it tobacco, cotton, pea, or flax? So
Tobacco.
tobacco was the first transgenic crop. Which type of rice is high in vitamin A? Super rice, golden rice, basmati rice, indica rice.
Golden rice.
Golden rice. The slow ripening transgenic tomato was developed in USA by using. So what technique did they use for obtain this slow ripening tomato? So it was antisense RNA technology. They used that, uh, or is it transgenic silencing approach? It is antisense RNA technology. So let me check with the answer. 66A, it is correct. Antigen RNA, antisense RNA technology is utilized. Some of the characteristics of BT cotton are long fiber and resistance to aphids, medium yield, long fiber and resistance to beetle pests, high yield and production of toxic protein crystals which kill dipteran pests, high yield and resistance to bollworms. So D is the answer. The characteristics of BT cotton are high yield and resistance to bollworms.
Sir, C, sir, answer.
See, bollworms majorly destroy ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So what is the question number? 67 alwa. So it is 67D is the answer. High yield and resistance to bollworms, especially to bollworms. ಕಾಟನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು bollworms majorly. Okay, D is the answer for it. The first transgenic cow is
Rosie.
Rosie. Dolly is cloning. First cloning bandi Dolly. Okay, Rosie is the first transgenic cow. Transgenic plants are the ones generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. So produced after protoplast fusion, it is a wrong thing. Grown in artificial medium after hybridization, that is also wrong. Produced by a somatic embryo in artificial medium, wrong. A is the correct answer. Generated by introducing foreign DNA into a cell and regenerating a plant from that cell. So that is what transgenic plants are. Okay. 17th, 70th, golden rice is a transgenic crop of the future with the following improved trait: insect resistance, high lysine content, high protein content, high vitamin A content. What type of transgenic crop is it? Golden rice.
Option D.
High vitamin A.
High vitamin A content. See, golden rice was developed to overcome VAD. VAD. What is VAD? Vitamin A deficiency is called as VAD. To overcome this vitamin A deficiency, Ingo Portricus developed this golden rice by using genes from daffodils and two genes from daffodils and one gene from the bacterium Erwinia uredovera. Okay, that is how they obtained this golden rice. The person who was involved in this is Ingo Portricus. Okay, so remember about that. In the embryo of cloning dolly shape, the fusion is done between, see, in embryo of cloning dolly shape, the fusion is done between nucleus, nucleus less egg cell and udder cell, egg cell and nucleus less udder cell, egg cell and somatic udder cell, sperm cell and somatic cell. Which is the right answer? A is the answer. Nucleus less egg cell. Nucleus ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ egg cell. Enucleate egg cell ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. And udder cell. So nucleus from the udder cell and cytoplasm of the egg cell. That would be precise. But anyway, nucleus less, that is absence of nucleus. Enucleate egg cell and udder cell are not the correct. So A is the correct answer for it. One method of biotechnology for animal breeding programs to improve yield of milk, meat, wool in cattle, goat, sheep is to incorporate new or foreign genes into the genome of their fertilized eggs to produce,
Transgenic individuals.
yes, to produce transgenic individuals. So 72nd C is the answer. 73rd, I think you should be able to say that alpha 1 antitrypsin, for which it is emphysema, transposon, mobile genetic element. So 2413. It is 3. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is emphysema alva.
Option
3, 4, 1, 2. ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3, 4, 1, 2? B. Option B is the right answer. 3, 4, 1, 2. Match the column 1 containing transgenic organism with the specific characteristics in column 2. Golden rice, enriched with vitamin A. 3. BT cotton, high yield and pest resistant. 3, 4. Okay. Flavors saver, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಅದು increase self life. 3, 4, 2, 1 ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First one itself is having this combination 3, 4, 2, 1. See, flavor saver is tomato whose shelf life is increased by this transgenic variety. Rosy cow protein enriched milk. You can notice in rosy cow. So D is 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. Transgenic plants are developed by introducing foreign genes, introducing gene mutations, deleting certain chromosome parts, stopping spindle formation. How do you obtain transgenic plants?
introducing foreign genes.
Introducing foreign genes. Giant mouse has been produced through gene transfer, gene differentiation, tissue culture, all of these. Which is the answer for it? Gene transfer has resulted in producing a giant mouse or a gigantic mouse. Okay. Flavor saver is the transgenic variety of
Tomatoes.
tomato. The slow ripening transgenic tomato was developed in USA by using what technology?
Antisense of RNA technology.
Very true. Antisense RNA technology was used for obtaining this slow ripening transgenic tomato. Which of the following is not a benefit of transgenic animals? Investigation of new treatments for disease, early detection of diseases, testing the safety of vaccines to produce useful biological product. So which one is this? Is not a benefit of transgenic animals amongst these four? Which one of them? I
Option
felt
D.
this early detection of diseases. Okay. Investigation ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Early detection of diseases PCR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. not through this early detection of diseases is not possible through transgenic animals. It's not a benefit of transgenic animals. 79B is not a benefit of transgenic animal. That is the answer. Select the incorrect statement. 80th. Transgenic animals are used for study of complex factors involved in growth, such as insulin-like growth factor. B. Transgenic animals are specially made to serve as models for human diseases so that investigation of new treatments for diseases made possible. First transgenic cow, Rosie, produced human protein enriched milk containing the human alpha lactoglobulin. globulin. Transgenic mice are being developed for use in testing the safety of vaccines before they are used on animals. So, which is the wrong answer here? Incorrect statement. First transgenic cow, Rosie, produced human protein enriched milk containing the human alpha lactoglobulin is a wrong choice. Okay, that is the wrong answer. Incorrect statement. C is the incorrect statement. So, which of the following is used in developing transgenic plants? Agrobacterium tumefaciens. B is the answer. It is used in developing transgenic plants. Okay. A plant expressing a gene from another organism is, it's again very easy, transgenic. A plant expressing a gene from another organism is, it is possible only through transgenic plants. Transgenic. The transgenic animals are those which have foreign DNA in some of their cells, foreign DNA in all of their cells, foreign RNA in all of their cells, 1 and 3. So, what is the answer for 83rd?
B, sir.
Yes, foreign DNA in all of their cells. That is the answer. B is the answer. The uses of transgenic animals are to test the safety of vaccines, to study human diseases like cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, and rheumatoid arthritis, to study the complex factors involved in growth, such as insulin like growth factor, all of these.
All of these.
Very true. All of these is the answer. Read the following statements. In 1997, an American company got patent rights on basmati rice through the International Patent and Trademark Office. There are an estimated 50,000 varieties of rice in India alone. First clinical gene therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year-old girl with ADD deficiency, adenosine diaminase. In 1983, Eli Lilly company prepared DNA sequences corresponding to A, B, and C chains of human insulin. In this, how many are incorrect statements? How many of them are incorrect statements? Is it 4 of them, or 3 of them are incorrect statements? 2 of them are incorrect statements. See, Eli Lilly company, it should be uh, so Eli Lilly company, it has to be A, B, not A, B, and C. Human insulin, they separately synthesized A and B and then they fused it. Okay, so that is one statement which is wrong. First clinical gene therapy was given to 1990. That year has to be checked. So all the 4 statements are wrong, and either A is the answer. Okay, so all the 4 statements are wrong. Which body of the government of India regulates the genetically modified research and safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public services in India? Which body does that? See, it is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, GEAC ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In India, GEAC is regulating this experiments on genetically modified organism. So we call that as GEAC, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. 86th A is the answer. Select the incorrect statement. For the effective treatment of a disease, early diagnosis and understanding its pathophysiology is very important. B, over 95% of all existing transgenic animals are mice. Okay. Antigens are the chemically protein, glycoproteins, etc. None of the above. So we have to choose the incorrect statement here. Which is the incorrect statement? See, none of the above are incorrect statement. All of them are correct statements. So D is the answer. Okay. 88. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given quotes. Biopiracy. So illegal removal of biological materials. ये 3 बरते 3 biopatent. Right granted for entities. 3 4 gene therapy is 1 3 4 1 2. ಯಾವ choice ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3
Option
4
C.
1 2 C. Okay, gene therapy is effort to fix the non-functional gene. RNA interference is gene silencing. Okay, C is the answer for it. 3 4 1 2. The illegal and unlawful development of biomaterials without payment to the inhabitants of their origin is called, what is it called as?
Biopiracy.
Biopiracy. Most widely used bioweapon is
Bacillus anthracis.
Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax. Okay, so that is what is the most widely used bioweapon. So these are the choices for you. Hope you have understood all of them. If you have any doubts or clarification, please ask me. We'll clear those doubts or clarification. Any doubts or clarification, students?